Well, today marks the last day of Fox 4's Pride Month coverage, hearing concerns from the LGBTQ plus community after Roe v. Wade was overturned, especially following a concurring opinion from Justice Clarence Thomas suggesting that the landmark case that made same-sex marriage legal should be reconsidered. Well, it's leading many couples, including one I spoke with right here in Southwest Florida, to question if their rights could be next.
This is the day before we got married.
November 11th, 2011.
And that's the day we went to go get our marriage license in New York at the clerk's office.
The day Katana and Cheryl Zito legally became one.
It was cool. There was a whole bunch of gay people there getting marriage licenses because it was the first 6 months that it was legal in New York.
Married along with dozens of other couples in New York years before gay marriage was then made nationally legal. Exactly 7 years ago this month, with the 2015 landmark Supreme Court case, Obergefell v. Hodges.
It was pretty amazing to be validated. We just want to live our lives and be able to have the same rights as everyone else.
The Lehigh couple having a ceremony back here in Florida, where they now have a home filled with love, laughter, and yes, even some bad jokes.
She hasn't killed me yet. She has life insurance, so she did. Yeah.
But those laughs mask the fear they now feel with Roe v. Wade's overturning.
Definitely concerned. I definitely believe the next thing that they'll be coming after is gay marriage.
Fox 4 sitting down with the couple in early June before that final decision came down last week.
We've already started preparing for it.
Even then, they'd already made the choice to change their wills, making each other's power of attorney.
And we have advanced directives so that we can protect ourselves as much as possible.
Protection they now feel is vital after Justice Clarence Thomas wrote as he agreed with overturning Roe. He also said the case legalizing gay marriage should be, quote, reconsidered.
It feels like we're going backwards.
And if, like Roe, the court returns the decision to the states, Florida already has a law banning gay marriage, saying in part the term marriage means only a legal union between one man and one woman as husband and wife. It's something LGBTQ plus lobbying group Equality Florida has pushed every year to eliminate.
That law is outdated. It has been determined to be unconstitutional by, again, state and federal courts. And yet it still remains on our statute books because the legislature has to take the affirmative step of removing it. For years now, the legislature has failed to even hear the bill.
I love her. She loves me. We've built a life together.
And that's where, for the Zitos,
it's scary.
Their fear is real.
It hurts a lot. I mean, who gives them the right to say that our marriage doesn't matter? How would they feel if they woke up one day and their marriage wasn't legal anymore?
So I've emailed 2 organizations who are against same-sex marriage right here in Florida on any comment on this couple's concerns, neither getting back to me. I also emailed the governor today for any statement regarding Florida's same-sex marriage ban law, or if he agrees that same-sex marriage should be reconsidered. Also, still waiting to hear back from the governor's office tonight.